How to save Excalidraw project. So as you can see right here, I messed around with with my picture and drawing and whatever it might be, and now I want to save it, right? So how can I do that? Click the three bars at the top left, and then just click the second option, Save To, right? And from here I can just save or export the scene data to a file which you can import later. I could just save it as a file, right? And as you can see right here, I can save it as a file, or I can click the three bars and then click export image, right? Without the background, right? In the dark mode, I can just do that, or just leave it on the white mode, and I can save it as a PNG, SVG, or I could just copy it to clipboard to share it with other people so they can have access to the photo. So I could just hit save, and basically I can save it, and now as you can see, the photo has been saved. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.